Hey guys, hope you're doing good today. I was out here, can you see the limbs on the ground? I'm cutting them off of this tree, and as I was cutting this last limb, I just heard voices in my head, and it said, David, you have YouTube viewers. They want to see Milwaukee tools. Now, before this starts, you know that I'm not partial to Milwaukee nor DeWalt. I have a little bit of both, of Milwaukee tools and DeWalt tools. So on this job right here, I've got the Milwaukee Fuel brushless. I had a guy the other day told me, I don't remember exactly how he put it, but he said, if you've got one that says Milwaukee, you're living good. If you've got one that says brushless, you're living extremely good. But if it says fuel and brushless, you're living awesome. So I don't know. This has got a super good trigger. I really like it. High-low speed. This is your quick lock system. This is the extender boom. I've got it on. And then I've got the boom on with the chainsaw. And so I'm going to cut those limbs off of that tree. I didn't bring a 12-0, I brought a 9-0 because of weight. Because man, when you get this thing extended out, as you're going to find with so many of my tools, that you got to be like this to handle these, because they're heavy, and they ain't for boys. They for, you know, I mean, look at that, men. So let's get over here and let's cut some more of these limbs off, and let's watch this thing work. This sucker is a kind of a beast. But you can lay it up there and just kind of let it work. You don't have to put no pressure on it. The only part that's the problem is when it gets through there is catching the saw. Like that. You have to be ready. But I'm cutting these because I'm going to bring my tractor with the cab on it through here. You can see that mulch pile right there. I need to move that. Alright, let's just get the Milwaukee. Now, you know I've got the DeWalt 60 volt, but because of just using Milwaukee today, I grabbed it. Now, one thing I like on the Milwaukee, DeWalt has plastic teeth right here. Milwaukee puts steel teeth, and they're very sharp to grab onto your wood. The city's very nice about picking this stuff up if I put it out by the road, so I want to give them, you know, smaller pieces where they can handle it okay. One thing I do every time I get done with the saw is push that forward. That way just no danger popping a battery in it and making her spin or something. I don't know how sharp this blade is, but maybe not too bad. You know, guys, the Milwaukee or the DeWalt platform, it is a perfect platform for a homeowner. And I'm using it to take care of 23 properties. And it's working great for me. But if you're a homeowner, you don't have to worry about, you know, like using that chainsaw. You know, I might use the chainsaw once or twice this month, and I may not use it next month or the next. It may set up 2 months. And when I get ready to go use it again, I don't have to wonder, did my gas evaporate? Have I got too much oil? Did my gas go bad? Pop a battery in it, it's ready to go. And so either platform you choose, DeWalt or Milwaukee, I mean, they're perfect for a homeowner. You know, you can use your impact drill, you can use a sawzall, turn around, weed each yard, turn around and cut some limbs, trim hedges, whatever you want to do. So I highly recommend it on my end. It's perfect for me. Guys, y'all have a blessed day, blessed evening, blessed week, blessed Memorial Day. Thank all of you guys and gals that served our country and sacrificed for our countries. We thank you for it. God loves you. Jesus died for you. I enjoy being with you. And guys, I'll see you on another video. I just wanted to make you a quick video of me getting out here in the yard and doing a little bit of work. Y'all be safe.